wish I knew what's on your mind, the hidden places I can't find. Your silence builds a fortress tall, but I still hear your heart through it all. What road lies ahead for you and me? Is it shadows or destiny? I'm reaching out with open hands, hoping you'll let me understand. Tear down the walls you built to survive. Life's not just about getting by. We're meant to feel, to love, to soar, to live each moment craving more. Don't hide away, open the door. Let's live this life to the fullest, evermore. I see the heartache carved in your eyes, the challenges you weather, the endless try. But I believe in the fire you hold, a spirit unbroken, brave and bold. If you let me in, I'll share the way together. We'll rewrite what fate dictates. No more silence, no disguise, just open hearts beneath the skies. Tear down the walls you built to survive. Life's not just about getting